Now students, I enter into the next part. Next part is I enter a number from the keyboard and check the number is a Armstrong number or not. How it is possible that I can write the code for that? See, what I can do here, I just write, there it is notepad. Here I just write Armstrong.java. See, how can I write the code for Armstrong number? I just write here import java.util dot that is a scanner. What I did here, public class name, that is Armstrong. Here you see that is public find static void main. What I pass here string args. I just enter into the main. Now see what is my next job. What I can do. I just write here scanner as is equal to new scanner. I pass here system.in. This line is basically used to take the input from the keyboard. I just write here system.out.println. I just pass here. There is enter a number. It just write enter a number. Int num is equal to ss dot. That is next int. Check here. What I can pass here next int. Now see what is my next job. What I can do. I just write here int I is equal to num. That is num value I assign to I. J is equal to, that is I just write a 0 and sum is equal to 0. I write the same type of code. I pass the condition while that is I greater than 0. Now check here what I can do. That is J is equal to the same logic. Logic is not different. I already told you that Armstrong number, palindrome, sum of digits, that is a reverse number, logic are same. Similar type of logic, only that is some differences are there. That is J is equal to, that is I modulo 10. What is my next job? Sum plus equal JQ. J into J into J. I just pass here. That is I by equal 10. I is equal to I by 10. I pass the condition if that is what I pass here, if that is num equals sum. If num value equals to sum, then system.out.println. Here I write num plus is an Armstrong, that is number. Otherwise else here you see, otherwise system.out.println. It is not an Armstrong number. Fine. Num plus is not an, that is Armstrong number. Otherwise it is not an Armstrong. The logic is same. In case of Java, or in case of Java, you have to take the input from the keyboard by object of what? Scanner class. But who is the Armstrong number? 1 is the Armstrong number. Because 1Q is 1. 153, it is the Armstrong number. 1Q is 1 plus 5Q is 125 plus 3Q is 27. Added, it is 153. Similar way, that is 370 is an Armstrong number. That is 371 is an Armstrong number. That is 407 is an Armstrong number. These are called as Armstrong number. Now you see what I can do. I just show you 153, how it is calculated. If I enter a number that is 153, I value is 153, while y 153 greater than 0, yes, condition satisfied. J is equal to 153 modulo 10, that is 3, J value is 3. Sum is equal to sum plus 0 plus 3Q is 27. I is equal to I by 10. 153 by 10 is 15. 15 greater than 0, condition satisfied. J is equal to I modulo 10, 5. J value is 5. Sum is equal to sum plus. 27 plus 5q, 125. That is what? 152. Then I is equal to I by 10. That is what? 15 by 10. 15 by 10 is 1. 1 greater than 0. Condition satisfied. J is equal to I modulo 10. 1 modulo 10 is 1. Sum is equal to 152 plus 1q is 1. 153. I is equal to I by 10. 1 by 10 is 0. Fine. 0 greater than 0. Condition not satisfied. If num equals sum. Num value is 153. Sum value is 153. They are equals. So 153 is the Armstrong number. So I already covered who are the Armstrong number. 1 is the Armstrong number, 153 is the Armstrong number, 370 is the Armstrong number, 371 is the Armstrong number, 407 is the Armstrong number. Armstrong number means the summation of the cube of the numbers. So if it is 153, 1q is 1, 5q is 125, 3q is 27, add it is 153. Now check here. I'll just show you. That is anyway, compile the code. Here you see. I just want to execute the code. See here. That is 1 is an Armstrong number. 153 is an Armstrong number. That is 371 is a 370 is an Armstrong number. That is 371 is an Armstrong number. That is a 407 is an Armstrong number. That is 2 is not an Armstrong number. 2q is not 2. 2q is what? That is fine. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 4 into 2 is what? 8. It is not an Armstrong number. So this is the way I show you that. That is how can you write the logic for the Armstrong number.